How often does this happen?
It doesn't happen very often.
We happen to be lucky.
But I have called. I've called the elevator mechanics. The elevator mechanics are they're on their way.
They're on watch.
They're on their way.
Come down below. Waiting for an elevator.
Head mechanics.
Well,
in
funny.
Vegas.
What's
They're on their way, and they're
Only 700 stairs.
they're
to go.
top-notch maintenance people,
They don't wanna
elevator
build the
mechanics. We actually have elevator mechanics here, right here on the site.
And they work for the government?
They work for the government.
Don't quote me on that one. But yes, but there is there is plenty of there's plenty of air in here. We got air circulating in here, so you don't have to worry about that.
Call out for pizza. Where's the